Good morning guys, in front of me is Lumia 630 and let me show you how to perform a hard reset. First of all, find and select settings. Then scroll a bit lower and open about. Click on reset your phone. Make sure that you have some backup made because you will lose everything. As you can see, resetting your phone will erase all your personal content, including apps, games, pictures, music and videos, and will restore the factory settings. So once you truly want to do it, just tap on yes. Click on yes one more time to confirm and wait till it's done. And that's it, now you can set up your phone from scratch. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.